Hey, how you doing? So let me just give you some comments. This part here, I sent you some pictures of it. I think it goes a little lower because her building is somewhere around in here. Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna ask Johan for that. This thing here, you could put it as an indication, but don't count it as road. Uh, this, cause remember, these are two landowners. The only issue I have with this, he's going to tell me, he's losing all of this land. Cause remember, there's the building area I think is in here. So he's gonna tell me why here is an open space. So I don't think he's gonna accept that. This road could maybe go here. And then he could talk to this landowner to ask if he could put a road in between it. I don't know if it's possible from, I see the contours, it looks like it has a hole somewhere in here. But he's not gonna accept this just being open land or whatever. Because this part is this officially is a building area, and then a big section is conservation. And then the lots here is like very narrow because of the road coming here. Cause remember, this is one landowner, this is a next landowner. If I show him this, he's gonna tell me why am I putting a road like this that is messing up his land. So maybe this road could maybe go here. Because what we do in here with the project, maybe they might have roads going in here for the project with buildings. But the main roads, I don't think he's gonna accept this here because this is his land, and I don't think he's gonna accept this being an open space. Only if it's, I don't know. You tell me if it's something. I see there's a hole somewhere. I don't know if this is a hole, but the main road, I think he would more fly with it going here. Then he could ask this landowner if it could go somewhere in between like this, and then hook across or something like that. Because the roads inside the project is private, it's not counted in the main roads. Okay, so that's my comment. So let me know why you have open space too, because remember, this is the building area, and then after you have conservation. But tell me why, so I could explain him. But still, I think he's gonna be upset with the lots. His lots getting like very narrow here. So let me know on that.